If you've ever felt that evaluating partnerships is more art than science, you're not alone. The industry struggles with subjective assessments that can lead to costly mistakes. In this video, I'll explain how AnalyzeRelationships introduces a data-driven framework to objectively analyze relationship strength and patterns, giving you the insights needed for strategic decision-making. First, let's understand the context. Partnerships are inherently dynamic, with multiple touchpoints and evolving priorities. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Traditional methods like spreadsheets and basic CRM tools fall short because they treat partnerships as isolated entities rather than interconnected nodes in a graph. This fragmentation means you might miss critical dependencies, for example, how the health of one partner affects another. The real-world challenges are significant: predicting renewals, allocating resources effectively, and identifying which partnerships drive the most value. Without a holistic view, you're operating in the dark. Now, onto the technical method. AnalyzeRelationships employs graph theory and machine learning algorithms to map your partnership ecosystem. Each entity, be it a company, individual, or deal, is a node, and the relationships between them are edges with weighted attributes. Key concepts include relationship strength scores, which composite metrics like communication frequency, contract terms, revenue flow, and strategic alignment. A common misconception is that more interactions mean stronger relationships, but that's not always true. Our approach analyzes the quality, context, and outcomes of interactions to provide a nuanced score. We also look at patterns such as clustering, where groups of partners influence each other, and centrality, which identifies the most influential nodes in your network. So, how does the software solution work? AnalyzeRelationships integrates with your existing systems to ingest data from CRMs like Salesforce, communication platforms like Slack, and financial software. It normalizes this data and establishes baselines for what constitutes normal behavior for each relationship. Then, it calculates deviations using statistical models, flagging anomalies that could indicate risk or opportunity. The audit trail is crucial for compliance. Every score is traceable to its source data, ensuring transparency. Additionally, the scenario modeling feature lets you simulate changes such as increasing engagement with a partner or reallocating budget to see potential impacts on relationship strength and business outcomes. Let me walk you through a hypothetical example. Consider a mid-sized tech firm with partnerships across resellers, integrators, and affiliates. We input variables like monthly recurring revenue, support interactions, joint marketing activities, and executive alignment scores. AnalyzeRelationships might show that a key reseller has high revenue but low engagement scores, suggesting dependency risk. By running a scenario where we introduce a joint business plan, we can model how relationship strength might improve over 6 months, potentially increasing renewal likelihood by 20%. This isn't a guarantee, but a data-informed projection that helps prioritize actions. On compliance and reporting, AnalyzeRelationships generates detailed reports that are both comprehensive and accessible. These reports highlight key insights, such as at-risk partnerships and high-potential opportunities, in a format that stakeholders from legal to sales can understand. They align with regulations like GDPR by ensuring data provenance and privacy. This means you can confidently share findings with leadership or partners, knowing that the analysis is robust and defensible. To wrap up, AnalyzeRelationships empowers partnerships teams with objective analytics to navigate complex ecosystems. It turns intuition into evidence, helping you mitigate risks and maximize returns. For a deeper dive into how it can transform your partnership strategy,